Hello everyone, welcome to Alizarin Digital Imaging. In this video, I will explain you how to use dark inkjet transfer paper on your t-shirts. Let's see step by step. Step 1. Print the image. Choose your own image or design your image by using any design software, then set the printer settings with the image you choose. For the inkjet transfer paper, we recommend you to choose the best available quality settings for the printing. Let me explain you about Alizarin's HTW-300R dark inkjet transfer paper. This transfer paper can permanently transfer your image on dark or light colored cotton fabric, cotton polyester blend, cotton spandex blend, cotton nylon, and other fabric options. Print the image using Alizarin's HTW-300R dark inkjet transfer paper. You can use any kind of inkjet printer with normal water-based dye and pigment ink. Here we used Epson L805 with normal ink. The printed image is ready now. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Cut the image. Connect the cutting plotter with the computer and select the designed image for cutting. By using the cutting plotter, cut the image precisely. Here we used Silhouette CAMEO for the cutting. Step 3. Remove the coating flakes off. Peel the coating flakes that surrounding the image. Step 4. Heat press. Preheat the fabric for 5 seconds before placing the image to remove the wrinkles and moistures on the fabric. Now, peel the image off from the back paper and place the image face up direction on the fabric. We can also use household iron for the heat press process. Then place the grease-proof paper and white cotton on the top of the fabric. It makes the image look more brighter. Now heat press with 165 degrees Celsius for 25 seconds with moderate pressure. After 25 seconds of heat press, remove the white cotton and grease-proof paper. Your printed t-shirt is ready now. HTW-300R is a high-quality dark inkjet transfer paper with easy and fast application with soft touch and high stretchability. Check the description to know more about this product.